people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at the OK Kayla. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a few of my favorite products and tools to use with my color treated natural hair. Now I have a 4-day-old braid out that I did on my hair, y'all. This was a complete experiment. I only used 2 products, and I wanted to just see how my hair would kind of react since I've been doing a lot of straightening to my hair. Not gonna lie, the front section is pretty much like wavy now, not even as curly as it used to be. So I know a lot of people have been asking me, Kayla, like, do you have heat damage? Yes and no. It really depends, because even when I wear my hair in a ponytail, like, my curls are still popping in the back. So it's not the color, it's me being very excessive with the heat. So that's a whole nother story, but I wanted to share with you guys the shampoos and conditioners and treatments I've been doing with my color treated hair, just to kind of make sure I'm maintaining this beautiful color. Now I don't know if you guys can like tell from right here, but my roots are already growing in. And what's crazy is I literally got my hair touched up at the beginning of this month. So today, as I'm recording this video, it is March 24th. I got my hair done on like March 6th, I want to say. I just know for a fact it was the same week I had my graduation party that my parents threw me, and I got my hair done. So yeah, 3 weeks later, my hair has already grown out, which is great because that's what your hair is supposed to do. But I will say I'm obsessed with this color dimension that my stylist did on my hair. If you guys can kind of tell, the front pieces have like some lighter blonde streaks. So I have full color all over, chocolate on the bottom. I have highlights and lowlights for color dimension, so I love that. And these are the shampoos. So really, I'm going to be talking about the washing products. For me, when it comes to having that vibrancy on your hair, for the color on your hair, it really all boils down to how you're washing it, because we all know certain shampoos will strip the color off your hair. So I'm going to start off with the products that my stylist used on my hair, okay? And I actually ordered the salon size off of Amazon. I will link everything I'm about to show you guys in the description box down below. And if I don't have the product with me right now, I'm still going to list a picture up here just so you guys can see. But this is the Wella shampoo and conditioner, and this is their Envigo Brilliance collection with lime caviar, and it's for coarse hair. Like, it literally says for coarse hair right there. So I love that. This is what my stylist uses on my hair, and they also have the matching hair mask to go with that, but I'll talk about that when I talk about the deep conditioners. But this is what I've been using so far, and let's get into these pumps. That's why I'm glad I ordered these 2. It came as a pair off Amazon because it gave me that salon pump, which is amazing. And you guys know, when you have a lot of hair, we love bottles that give us pumps and that are large size, because a little goes a long way. Even with not a little goes a long way, girl, a little does not go a long way. What I meant to say is, you know, when we pump a lot because we need a lot of products, with this big boy right here, amazing, okay? Because the dime size is not going to cut it. Now Wella is on a little bit of the expensive side, but I mean, when you get your hair color treated, you kind of gotta, you know, maintain the maintenance. Now next I have Olaplex, and I have the 3 systems. So I have the shampoo, which is Olaplex number 4, the Olaplex conditioner, which is number 5, and then I also have the Olaplex hair perfector, which is number 3, and this actually repairs and strengthens your hair. So everyone that has their hair color treated or uses heat on their hair always talks about Olaplex. So I gave it a try, and I used this for the first 2 washes when I first got my hair colored, and honestly I liked it. I did kind of see a difference even with this hair perfector, so that was pretty good. These products are definitely on the high side as well, especially with the bottles being so small. So just to give you guys a comparison, literally, like, okay, it's night and day. But I will say, is it worth it for the shampoo part? Yes. And I only say that because when your hair is curly, shampoo does go a long way. A little goes a long way with that, but not the conditioner, because honestly this conditioner dang near done, and this hair perfector, I mean, I might can do one more section with this. So, you know, take that how you want to take that. Next, the other great shampoo for color treated hair would be the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo. I've used that before as well, even when I had my subtle brown highlights in my hair. Love that shampoo, and that is on the more affordable side. They also have the matching conditioner and matching deep conditioner to go with that as well, which I'll talk about with the deep conditioners. And then the next one is Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense. Now, I've actually used this in probably a good 3 or 4 videos way back before I even had the highlights or any color on my hair. And that also comes with like a 3-step type of deal, which is really ironic because it has Plex in it, which is almost similar to Olaplex, and it has a Bond Perfector gloss serum. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Okay, so I still have the what step is this? Step 1, which is the Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense Bond Mender Treatment. I still have this. I just don't have the shampoo and conditioner with me right now because I used it up. But this also acts as a reinforcer for weak bonds and helps fill in fragile strands. So if you you know, use a lot of heat on your hair, this is also great as well. Now, this is a fraction of the price of Olaplex, so if you want to try this out first and see how it works for you before you do Olaplex, highly recommend the Cream of Nature Plex Breakage Defense set. So you have the step 1, the step 2, and the step 3. Step 1 is the bond mender treatment, step 2 is the shampoo, and step 3 is the conditioner. Now moving on to deep conditioners. This is very vital since I've had my hair colored. I always make sure that I go in with deep conditioning my hair. Like, I have noticed a little bit more shedding and a little bit more dryness, which is normal. That's what you want to kind of give yourself an idea of whenever you're going to color your hair. That's what you need to expect. Now, mind you, I still kind of gauge how much I'm actually shedding, in my opinion, because I don't kind of like comb through my hair every day. When I have a braid or a twist, I just, you know, pineapple it. So you really want to make sure, is that just normal shedding and accumulation of your hair shedding every day because it sheds every day, or is it like a lot of shedding, you know? So for me, because I'm taking pretty good care of it and maintaining it, I don't really see a drastic difference, so that's good on my part. So the Wella Deep Conditioner is also the same line as this, which is the Envigo Brilliance Mask for coarse hair. My stylist uses that on my hair as well, which I'll talk about in the tools next, because with that mask she also sits me under the hair steamer. Game changer, okay? So I love that set, and my silk presses are always tea when I come from her, so y'all need to check out Wella. Next is the Cream of Nature Strengthening Hair Mask. Now, this is always something I always have in my stash. Very affordable. You literally can find it at the Beauty Supply Store, Target, or Walmart. And next, I was talking about this. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Treatment. That also kind of goes with that line that I was talking about with the shampoo and conditioner. Also love that and used that in a video a while back when I had my highlights. So definitely check that out. And next, one of my favorite all-time deep conditioners is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Now, that one has like this minty feeling sensation on your scalp, and it feels so good. It literally feels like somebody's blowing cold air on your scalp. I love that mask. I always see immediate results even when I don't use heat applied with that mask, so definitely try that mask out. Next, I'm going to be talking about the tools. So one of my favorite things I've been doing lately is playing around with like these hair clips, and I don't even like use them when I have my hair like in a braid or twist out. It's pretty much whenever I have my hair slicked back, but it's something really fun to kind of jazz up your hair. So let's see if this will focus. This one is a studded out gold hardware clip. Love this. This also came in the same set, and this one is like pearl embellished. And you can get these from the Beauty Supply Store. You can get them from Walmart, Target, and I actually got mine from TJ Maxx because I love going in the beauty section in TJ Maxx. So love playing with these. And if I don't have them this large, I kind of just get them in like regular size hair clips. Now these kind of have like an extra row in the inside, if you guys can see that, just to kind of make sure it's really holding your hair secure. And I love using these too when I do have my hair straightened and it's kind of on this last leg and it's kind of getting a little wavy once my curls have dropped, or kind of getting a little frizzy. I like to just kind of do a little French twist and clamp it up. Next, I would say if your hair is on the sandy brown blonde color spectrum, invest in getting some colored bobby pins, because black bobby pins are just so like bold now whenever I put them on my hair. So I got me a pack of like bronze bobby pins from the beauty supply store, literally only $1.49. Gotta have these in your stash. And last but not least, this is my favorite thing I'm going to tell y'all about in this entire video, is a hair steamer. Now, like I said, my stylist kind of changed the game for me when she sat me under the hair steamer. And it kind of shocked me because when she was coloring my hair, I had never seen anybody sit somebody under a hair steamer for the coloring process. So that was very interesting to me. And I just noticed how every time I would even get my hair silk pressed by her, my hair would just be like so glossy and so like moisturized from that hair steamer. So I was like, let me invest in getting one myself, and I purchased mine off Amazon, and I will link that in the description box down below for you guys. It is a 2-in-1 hair steamer, so it also is a face steamer, and I love that. So it's just a combination of just switching out the hair tool to the face tool. Haven't used the face side yet to it, but I did use it for the first time last weekend when I deep conditioned my hair, and I'm obsessed. It's so easy to use, and I do feel a difference. Now for me, I personally like to sit under the steamer without a cap on. I've seen people put a cap on. I wanted it to literally like touch the hair strands. I guarantee it is a game changer, and if your hair is color treated, I highly suggest using the heat from a hair steamer whenever you are doing hot oil treatments or deep conditioning your hair. It makes the world of a difference. Like, I literally cannot even express it. Like, y'all see it. Y'all see the proof in the pudding right here. Make sure y'all try that out. Like, it's just honestly the best purchase ever, and I kind of like it better than sitting under a regular hooded dryer. Now, it's not for drying purposes obviously, but try out a hair steamer. Like, it's just God's gift to us natural hair ladies. Like, I love it. You need to have it. All right, so that is my video on my products and tools that I've been using for my color treated hair. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see a braid out tutorial. Like I said, this was kind of an experiment and it turned out great, so I wish I would have filmed it, but I would love to film it again for you guys and show you how I achieved this. I didn't even pick it out that much, and I'm just obsessed with this color. It's perfect for the summertime, I will say that. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.